Hello guys, and welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can modify or edit your Facebook advert links. In some cases we may decide to divert our traffic from one place to another using Facebook advertisement or Instagram advertisement, and we can as well do this stuff from phone, or we can do it on PC or laptop. But in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can do it right from your phone. So this is another interesting topic about our Facebook ad manager on mobile. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I'll go to my normally I used to drive traffic from WhatsApp and Instagram. I used to drive traffic from Facebook and Instagram to my WhatsApp group. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy my group link, and I'm going to put it on my Facebook ads to run an advertisement to the new group. Okay, so I'll head to my WhatsApp now. So I'm going to click on the group and I tap the top here, and invite link. I'm going to copy the link right here. Okay, so I will go to my WhatsApp now. I will go to my Facebook ads manager now. Okay, so from the very point here, so I need to change links of this. I need to change the link of this particular ads. So I'm going to click on it. So I will click on it. The next thing I'm going to do is to, okay, not this ad, sorry. Okay, towards this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to click on next. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on duplicate. Now, when we click on duplicate, I have to scroll down. I'm going to change this to, let's see, I'm going to delete all the copy. I'm going to type 3 there. Then I'm going to look for ad details. Click on it. So we click on ad details. This is going to prepare you your ad headline, primary text, and the website link. So here, this is where you edit your ad links. So I'm going to delete all this one now. Then I will click and hold down. I will choose paste. So you can see this is the new link. Then you have to come to the top left corner here. Click on this arrow to go back. Then here, you can just click on place order. Review order. So we click on review order. It's going to tell you that this is the amount per day for this advert, and this is ongoing advert. Then click on place. So just click on not now. Boom. So you can see Cameroon and Kenya 3. So this is how you can edit your Facebook URL link. So this simply means that this advert is going to redirect all these people, anybody that click on the ad is going to redirect them to the new group. That is, I'm trying to divert my traffic from one source to another source. So instead of stressing yourself on laptop or on a PC, you can easily follow this step to edit or modify your Facebook advert URL landing page link in a simple step I just show you in this video. And I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things in this video. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting future tutorial about digital marketing, as well as graphic design, importation, and freelancing. These are the things I made about, these are the content I made on this channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.